Wala na palang tissue. Ay. Ay, ay. Good morning guys. So, natapos ko na yung mga pantalon ng aking mister. So, ayan. Medyo nakakapagod din ha. Hindi automatic kasi yung washing machine dito sa labas. And look guys, look at that. There's someone sleeping here. This is our cat. Look. So sleepy. Huh? You're so sleepy, darling. Another one sleeping. And done coffee. Ay, not yet. Almost 50%. And I'm nagpapahinga, guys. Yes, rest time. Look at my shirt, guys. It's cold. And then I cut my this one, tag dito, guys. The shoulder thing. Yeah, it's so hot in the Philippines. So, hello everyone. Hello people. Yeah, rest time ni Nunalot. Oh my God, I'm so tired. Look, I'll show you the Coco of Thor. Look what happened to Coco. Oh la la, look at that. There's Coco. Yeah, that's it guys. So I'm so tired because of the long pantalon. Ang haba ng pantalon ni Mr. Guy. I'm so tired. Yan. And then after this, decluttering, ihanda ko na yung mga ibebenta ko. Gusto ko sana mag-garage sale. Kaso na problema ko dito sa basta meron ako medyo hindi ko maiano sa garage sale kasi gusto ko sana sa garage sale para at least ma-spread out ko lahat yung mga ititinda ko. So yeah, so that's it guys. Chichishi guys. O diba nautala naman sinunalat. And nalalambot na ako guys kasi ang init sa Philippines. Ayan, so yeah. So, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo for today's vlog. And thank you for watching. Sa gawain guys, napakaraming gagawin guys. So, bye! See you. Iniisip ko guys, kung once a week na lang ako mag-upload ng vlog. Or twice a week. Comment down below nga guys. Yung mga 10 followers. Yung mga 10 subscribers ko nga dyan. Comment nyo nga. Upload lang ako ng once a week or twice a week. Yeah. And I'm trying very hard na maibalik ko yung monetization ko. I need 3,500 watch hours. Sigurado napapansin nyo bakit ang dami ko na mga views and ano. Actually, may ads na ako dati. Kaso lang sa hot-headed ni Nunalot, na-copyrighted. So, ayan. Nadidelete lahat yung mga mahabang content. Tapos, yeah. Binawas dun yung watch. Nawala na tuloy yung aking odds. Kaya, I'm fighting. Keep on fighting na maibabalik ko ulit yung ad this year hanggang December. And please help me. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please watch please. Yung mga old videos ko magaganda naman sila lahat. Please. Ayan, give nyo na lang sa akin this year. Papasko nyo na sa akin advance and pa-birthday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nunalot.